Alright guys, I want to show you a quick video clip on how we move this. This is an 8-foot Arborvitae, and we've had this in our yard for a couple of years, but when we got it, it has this, had like a burlap bag around it and like a wire cage. Like you can see there's a piece of wire right there, just to keep the root ball intact. So we planted it in a different spot in our yard. We planted it over there, and we recently just moved it to right here. We were able to move it by pulling on the cage. Luckily it had that cage around it. We could pull it out of the ground, but the only way to move it out of the hole over there was to use the truck and pull it out of the ground. So I want to show you a quick clip on that. Luckily the whole root ball was able to remain intact because it was in burlap and had that cage around it. But anyways, thought it was funny that we had to pull it out with the truck because it was so heavy. It was probably 400 pounds. The root ball was huge, and then we had to use a big dolly to move it. Anyways, check out this clip.